Dear parents, today I am going to explain the concept of multiplication for kids. The method is stick methods, which is like playing and learning for kids. So say 1 is to 1 is equal to 1. So how to arrive at that? So for one, you take one stick and place it horizontally, and for another one, take one more stick and place it vertically. It cuts at one place. So 1 is to 1 is 1. Now 1 is to 2 is equal to 2. How? So one sticks, put it horizontally, another two sticks puts vertically. It cuts at two places. So 1 is to 2 equal to 2. Now 1 is to 3 is equal to 3, but how? Again, you take one stick horizontally, three sticks vertically. It cuts at three places. So 1 is to 3 is equal to 3. 2 is to 1 is equal to 2. Two sticks horizontally, one sticks vertically. It cuts at two places. So 2 is to 1 is equal to 2. 2 is to 2 equal to 4. Two sticks, put it horizontally, one stick vertically, two sticks, and then 2 twos are 4. So it cuts at 4 places. Now 2 is to 3 equal to 6. So 2 sticks, put it horizontally, 3 sticks vertically. It cuts at 6 places. So 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So 2 sticks horizontally, 4 sticks vertically. It cuts at 8 places. So 2 4s are